what role does dry mouth play in the oral health of diabetic individuals? All of you guys have mentioned how it affects, diabetes affects and causes dry mouth, but how can patients manage it at home? Ustedes todos han mencionado el rol que diabetes causa en la boca, especialmente la boca seca, pero ¿cómo pueden hacer los pacientes para manejar controlar esto en casa?
So yes, one of the most common complications of diabetes and side effect of diabetes medications as well is to have dry mouth. So the saliva is not produced enough from your salivary glands, and which causes a problem for in general. So the saliva, in addition to that, they are having some lubricating effect. It's also tend to have cleansing action. So it's needed to clean your teeth and gums from anything that can remain after you eat and drink anything. So if you don't have enough saliva, you have risk for having some sort of cavities that come into your teeth and gum disease, which actually affect your gum. So it's something that's come with diabetes and diabetes management when you are taking diabetes medication, trying to control your diabetes. So what you can do at home in order to have guard against those bad outcomes that come from this dry mouth. So I think the first advice that we have with our patients and community members who are living with diabetes is to try to drink more frequently, sip water all the time, and we stress on water, so that it's not something sugary, acidic, and keep doing that frequent and frequent, so that you keep your mouth some sort of wet and have this lubricating action compensated. Another thing that in order to stimulate your salivary glands to produce more saliva, chewing does that. So if you have sugar-free chewing gums, do that. Chew them, more frequently. With that, you will stimulate your salivary gland to be in action, producing more and more all the time. So if you do that, you're also helping yourself, your mouth, and your diabetes. Another thing that this is something that we mention to everyone. It's not for diabetic patients, but we stress more on it for people living with diabetes. Smoking. Smoking has a very negative and bad consequences for your overall health. Specifically, if you have diabetes, this would increase a lot your dry mouth.